What's up, Smooth Gang? It's your girl, E Smooth to Go, man. And as y'all see, I'm here by myself. So y'all know what that means. I'm coming with a hardcore prank on Ayana today. And it's just a normal day. Man, I look like what I've been through, y'all. We done been to Tallahassee 4 times in the last 5 days. 4 times in the last 5 days, so... You feel me? She not expecting this prank. This is our first off day in a while. Like, in a while. Even if it's little routes, you know what I'm saying? It's still a lot of driving. So, feel what I'm saying? But, I'm like, we still got to get it in. I feel like pranking her today. I've been seeing this trend going around. It was like, I think it was like moaning aggressively while eating on your girlfriend or boyfriend type thing. I'm like, bruh. I definitely want to do that because, for one, she hates, like, her biggest pet peeve is smacking, especially while she's eating. Like, especially while she's eating. She's not going to like that at all. She's not finna like that at all. You understand me? So, this is finna be good, y'all. This finna be good. I'm just trying to figure out, like, how I'm going to do it, though. Like, how should I do it, y'all? Like, I don't know. I still really ain't playing it. I'm gonna kind of just like get her like to do little stuff to me, like get her to do like little stuff to me, and I'm gonna just overreact to everything she do. You know what I mean? I'm gonna overreact with everything she do, and while we eat, everything. I already know I'm gonna have her heated, but is that a dog? I'm trying to do a prank. I'm finna get 8. Oh, no, it's a bald head man with it. But yeah, I'm waiting on her to get in the car. As y'all can see, the AC not blowing. She taking forever. Like, I'm hot. I'm about to pass out of here. Y'all, what y'all be getting from Whataburger? Because me, y'all know I'm finna get a patty melt. Light onions. Come on, man. Light onions. Regular ketchup. Do y'all eat regular or spicy ketchup? Drop that in the comments. If y'all eat spicy ketchup, I believe y'all are a psychopath. Like, spicy ketchup. Like, who wants spicy ketchup? I want my food to be spicy, but not spicy ketchup. Like, how do you make that? How is a tomato hot? Is that not weird? Or am I weird? Okay. But, no, I gotta get a patty melt, baby. Medium fry with a bust down. Like, when I eat, like, onions and stuff, because it's, like, give me, like, heartburn and stuff like that. Like, and red sauces give me heartburn, like patty melt sauce or Big Mac sauce. I like to get, like, a strong dark soda. You know what I mean? A strong dark soda so you can get that. You know what I'm saying? Get that good burp out, man. I'm hot. Like, she's saying it, like, that's what I'm saying. You would tell a girl, all right, babe, I'm in the car. Because you would think. You would literally think that they'll, like, try to hurry up, especially if they got the keys. You would think they would hurry up. And then the thing about it is, y'all, we are going to Whataburger down the street. It's 3 minutes from the house. It's not even a fashion show. Like, I don't understand what's taking her so long, and it's so hot in here. Like, and then the whole time, I promise you, she gonna come out here in a bonnet. Literally, she gonna come out here in a bonnet and probably that purple scarf. Not dressed up or nothing, but you know why she take a long time? Because she got to scroll on TikTok while she brush her teeth. I mean, not scroll on TikTok. Scroll on Instagram Reels while she brush her teeth. Oh! Oh no, the patty milk good. Look, the cheese melts.
You're doing a lot. Slow down. Slow down.
I'm just eating.
You being so nasty with your food.
I was trying to make what?
Why are you doing that?
I'm literally just trying to.
You fingering your onions.
The onions was coming out.
So you had to. Why you just ain't stick it back? You fingering them.
Or maneuvering them around. See?
You just being crazy.
Your mind thinking like that.
That's what you presenting to me.
Or you having flashbacks. How wet this shit sound. Me too.
You being so weird. Eat your food regularly.
I thought not matter what you can eat your food is regular.
What do you mean by that?
Yours good?
Mine great. You trifling.
Spicy ketchup.
You trifling. I need to show you how you eating. Because I can't make this up. You're being crazy. Body rolling while drinking Sprite is insane.
I have Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper. We need to get you, we need to go to Whataburger more often.
You trying to record me so it lasts longer? I got a bite for you.
Can you stop? For real. You making out with your food. It's starting to get unpleasant.
Damn.
Please. I can't even eat. You grossing me out.
You want me to eat for you? I can taste the onions, the bell peppers. I don't even think bell peppers on there. That's how good it is. That's how much flavor.
It ain't no bell peppers on there. It's cheese, onions, and freaking 2 patties.
3 patties.
2 pieces of bread.
3 patties, though, I think. The way I'm smashing that bitch.
You sitting there just.
This Dr. Pepper, I puts it perfectly.
I can't. For real. Can you stop doing that? You making out with your straw. Fingering your food, moaning and grinding. You alright?
You heard it hurt. Shit's so good.
I'm being grossed out. I'm seriously getting grossed out. You grossing me out. You got all that stuff just all on your face, all that grease. You grossing me out right now.
All that grease. All over my face. What else be all over my face? Patty melt sauce.
It's really not that good. Please! Stop!
What's the problem?
Please! I'm trying not to yell at you. But you're really showing out.
Oh.
You're scaring me, for real.
I can feel it in my
You're
butt.
real life scaring me.
That's fine.
You look like
That's fine.
you escaped. You're grossing me out. You seriously grossing me out. Well, I genuinely cannot wait for you to finish eating. You better not. Stop! Ugh! Stop! Ew, that is grossing me out. That is grossing me out. That is grossing me out. That is so disgusting, for real. You just doing. Ew, for real. That is trifling. Ew. Oh no. Pack it up. Now you're not even eating your food. You're just playing with it.
No, that's how you gotta eat it.
No, you do
And
not.
then, dip it in ketchup.
Wipe your mouth.
Give me a napkin, baby. All clean.
Oh, Jesus, disgusting. Wow. What are you doing with this bag?
That was so good.
Why? Just why? Why are you being like this?
The way this Dr. Pepper squish her under my mouth. Tastes like something I always wanted.
You hurting my stomach.
That shit wasn't good.
You really ruined my appetite.
I ate it though. That's probably why it's so good to me. And I was having flashback the way it was squishing around my mouth. You hear me? Q-tip? I mean, floss. That shit was so fucking good.
So freaking nasty. See, you're playing with your food, putting it all in your mouth like you done lost your damn mind. I just cannot with you.
Thank you, baby. I was just enjoying my hug. I was vibing.
And stopping me from enjoying mine. All I feel is just food in your mouth, slide on your mouth, everything. Just nasty. Real life playing with your food.
What would we feeling like?
I couldn't even check.
Why?
You say your mom ain't eating.
I'm still drinking my Dr. Pepper too, so good. I'm happy she got my order wrong. Because I said Dr. Pepper, she talking about, I said root beer, she talking about Dr. Pepper.
You did not say root beer out your mouth.
Mm.
You said Dr. Pepper. Maybe you was thinking root beer, but you said Dr. Pepper out loud.
Oh.
Stop it. Stop.
Why you do that?
Stop. 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 For real. Stop. You're so disgusting. You're just being trifling. Can you get away from me? Go sit down somewhere. Get away from me, please.
Give me my drink.
Can you get away from me? Get away from me. Doing all that moaning. I don't want to hear it. You done ruined my food. I don't want to hear that. You want me to crack your back?
No, I want you to rub it.
You just said it hurt.
Yeah, I want you to rub it right here.
Uh-oh.
Come on.
Uh-oh. Girl. Can you stop? Stop. I'm done. I'm done.
Babe, please. It hurts.
Stop doing all that.
Okay. Okay.
Like, seriously.
Okay.
You're just doing that.
Okay.
Hush.
Babe.
You aggravated me.
Babe, that hurted. My back is sore.
Stop moaning. You're just doing it.
That wasn't even a moan. Babe, I was releasing. Come on.
Releasing what? What are you releasing?
Do you not feel how tight my foot is?
So you gotta do.
Do you not feel how tight?
You gotta do all that? No, you don't.
But it feels.
I massaged your back 1,001 times. You don't do that. So stop doing that.
That wasn't even a moan. That was a groan. Come on.
You got one more time. And I'm not playing.
Hey, okay.
I'm not playing.
Okay.
You do it one more time and see what happens. I'm not even kidding.
Can you do it softer? Oh. Can you do it softer? That feels good. Yeah, how tight that was though. Oh. No, I don't want to crack.
Didn't need to be cracked.
What need to be cracked? Me?
You being too freaky for me. Go ahead and get up for me.
Help me up.
What did I just say? Stop doing that.
Damn, bro. Damn.
Stop doing that.
You going, mama? What happened, baby?
What kind of prank was that?
Just moaning with everything I do.
That was dumb.
Was it?
That was dumb. Stop!
She mad, chat. She mad.
Hey. What kind of prank was that?
Moaning and groaning, baby. Everything touch me right here.
I can't. All right. Stop. 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 Crazy.
If y'all like this video, bro, if y'all like this video, man, like, comment, subscribe, bro. I got her bad, got her good, bro. She ain't like what she heard, but damn, my moans don't sound good, child.
They wasn't pleasing.
Damn. Them was my best ones, y'all.
Yeah, y'all. She ain't like that. Just be ready for me when I come. Because I'm going to get her back. Bigger and better.
Chat.
Bye, y'all.